Welcome to Mom's Read Aloud. Let's read Peppa's washing day together and find out what happens when the laundry doesn't go quite as planned. Today, Daddy Pig is wazzing his football shirt and hanging it out to dry. Now I must go to work, he grunts. Bye-bye, Daddy, cry Peppa and George. Splish, splash, splash. Peppa and George are jumping in puddles. Oops, they've splashed mud on Daddy's shirt. Don't worry, says Mummy Pig. We'll wash it again. Thinks Peppa. My red dress is muddy too. She takes her dress off and puts it in the wash. Mummy Pig comes back and switches on the machine. Soon the washing machine finishes. Look, Mummy, smiles Peppa. My red dress is nice and clean. Yes, Peppa, says Mummy Pig, but it has made Daddy's shirt pink. Daddy Pig is home from work. My team wear white, not pink. He sighs. You have a white shirt, Daddy, smiles Peppa. Just take off your jacket. Thank you, Peppa, replies Daddy Pig. Hooray! The football team has arrived. Hello, Daddy Pig, say all his friends. We like your shirt. It's very smart. Thank you, laughs Daddy Pig. Come on, let's play football. Daddy Pig plays football and scores a goal. Daddy, cries Peppa, you've made your shirt all muddy. Of course, replies Daddy Pig. Football shirts are meant to be muddy. Everyone in the team is muddy. Daddy Pig loves playing football. Everyone loves playing football, especially when it's muddy. Even on a rainy day, Peppa and her family know how to have fun. Thanks for reading Peppa's Washing Day with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.